here's how you can approve apps on the iPhone. Let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more tips and similar videos like this one. So it depends on how exactly you want to approach this, because it works well if you set up an iPhone for your child, right? Like if you set the iPhone for the first time, it's going to ask you if you're setting it up for yourself or for a kid. And if you go with the latter option, you will have the ability to control the way the device works. So if you open up your settings and check out your family sharing, you will see the people in your family. And if there is, you can see if an account is an adult or as a child. But on the child accounts, you'll be able to click on it and essentially decide that the ask to buy feature is going to be turned on. It essentially means that you will have to approve whatever is going to be purchased on the App Store, whether it's an app, it might be a free app, paid one, or it might be an in-app subscription or purchase, and you will have to approve of this because you are like the guardian in this situation. So that is how you can set it up, and that is the whole reason the feature it exists to begin with, right? So that's how you can set it up, and you will actually get a notification like that. So it will be part of your messages, and you'll be able to like review the request and like approve or decline the purchase or the download. But that is all from me. I really hope that I can help you out and assist you with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.